Hello everybody, in this short video recording, I would like to show a method of adding AI chat capabilities into Grasshopper. Okay, let's start. Firstly, at the command prompt, type package manager, and then inside the manager, search for Raven. Okay, I found it. I can click on it and then click install. Okay, it's done. I need to restart Rhino now. Okay, Rhino restarted. Now if you were to launch Grasshopper, you will see that there is a new label at the bottom right corner over here called Raven. So this is the AI chat function. So if you want to construct Grasshopper definition using chat method or text input method, you can click on this Raven and then input the necessary command prompt. But as this is the first time that this has been started, you might want to click on the login and then do the necessary procedure to sign up for an account. Okay, for our case here, we're going to use the free account. Okay, I've completed the signing up, and now let's see a simple demo of Raven in action. So what I'm going to do is I want to create a parametric definition that can be used to generate shell-like objects. So I'm going to type over here, create a parametric shell-like form. Okay, click on this and then wait for Raven to do its magic. It might take a while. Okay, it has created something for me, but maybe this is not my intention. So if you want to further refine it, right, you can continue to refine the prompt. Okay, maybe I want to tell it to make a Nautilus like shell. Pardon my bad English. Hope I'm spelling it correctly. Currently it's giving me something like that. It's not what I really wanted. I want it to look like a Nautilus shell. So let's see whether it can give us something closer to what I want. Wow, it's not showing anything on screen. So I'm going to prompt it to refine it. Oh great, it gave us something that is actually pretty close to what I have in mind. Yeah, so it's giving me something that is editable. And I guess this plugin alone is not sufficient for us to create a finalized complete script. I guess on our own part we have to further refine the generated definition. But This plugin can be used to help us create the base definition for further refinement. With that, I come to the end of this video. If you find it useful, I'll appreciate if you could click the like and then share. Thanks. Bye.